and the U of I Research Park is tracking the who, what, and where online. Charlie Linville, president of Ploughman Analytics, is here for today's News in Depth. Thanks for being here.
Well, thanks for the chance to be here.
First, just tell us about Ploughman Analytics.
Ploughman Analytics is a consultancy in the Research Park at the University of Illinois. We focus on geographic information systems, operations research, business intelligence, and knowledge management. And we like to help corporations and large institutions make decisions about place and people.
So some of that software that helps do that is kGrove.com.
That's right. kGrove is our first product offering that we're taking out in addition to our service offerings. And kGrove keeps track of people's organizational affiliations, their areas of expertise, their knowledge, skills, and experience.
We're going to put up some graphics here, some screenshots. Can you kind of just talk us through and show us what we're looking at?
Okay, certainly. I wanted to try to have some examples drawn from current news. And so the first example here, it shows how one might find someone, in this instance at the University of Illinois, who has technical expertise and is familiar with Pakistan's nuclear capabilities. And so what we did here was to show how one could type in terms Pakistan and nuclear, and then drag, using the drag and drop interface, the College of Engineering over. And so we see Professor Singer showing up as someone who's in the College of Engineering who has this combination of interests.
Okay, and then we've got another screenshot too, I believe. Maybe not. Okay. And so how could just a regular business kind of use this and implement it in their own system?
So we intend for kGrove mostly to be used for larger organizations, and so it could be a way to keep track of those inside the firm or those outside the firm.
Okay.
And so there are largely untapped skills in many organizations because companies do not always know what they know. And kGrove provides a way to capture that information and serve as a single source of information about knowledge, skills, and abilities inside the firm.
Okay, let's put up that last graphic one more time that they just showed a minute ago, and I'll have you kind of talk through what this one describes as an example.
So, we've seen in the news that there are devastating consequences of the flooding in the Mississippi River system. And it dawned on me to wonder if the Army Corps of Engineers wanted to reach out to the University of Illinois in order to find those with expertise in supply chain and logistics to sort out some of the consequences of the flooding for those kinds of issues, for the transport of commodities on the Mississippi River system. Who might they reach out to? And so in this particular instance, we did a search for those with expertise in those areas at the University of Illinois. And the interesting thing is that there are not single places where all of the expertise in this particular area is found, but expertise in logistics and supply chain issues is throughout the university, in the College of Engineering, the College of Business, the College of ACES, and so kGrove helps organizations find expertise wherever it might be inside the organization.
Very interesting. How has the Research Park at the U of I helped lift this off the ground?
Well, the Research Park is a great environment. There are a lot of seasoned people there who can provide good advice and encouragement and constructive criticism. There are folks who are good to partner with, and it's just a lovely environment to be in.
Okay, the company is kGrove. You can find it at kGrove.com. Charlie Linville, thank you so much for being here with us.